Alright, so today we're going to make some attempts to catch a Mimog. If you're not familiar with that, they're like a mimic pal. They look like a chest, and the second you engage with them, they try to run away. Pretty much instantaneously. So it's recommended that you have some area of effect type abilities. I think the closest I have is Lunaris. Might be able to tase it a little bit. And I'll bring her out right now. Or is it a him? Not actually. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's a him. Bring him out. And then you shoot it and try to catch it with your highest rated hypersphere, or palsphere, right after it comes out. So we're going to try to shoot it. And up. Are we going to catch it? Pretty much have to have some way of, like, instantaneously catching it, because otherwise these bad boys will run away immediately. And they are fast as a bullet, I swear. I'll try to find another one and show you guys here in a moment. Alright, so here's another one. I'm going to show you how fast they can go bye-bye. Just in case I decide to catch it. You shoot them, and, like, they go really quick. Look at him. He, like, zooms off. I don't even know that pal ball that can home in on him. Because I've got, Lunaris in my inventory. I don't know that even they're gonna... Oh, he stopped. Is he gonna despawn? He stopped over there by the teleporter. But you can see, like, you're not catching these things if they take off. If they decide to be gone. He trying to get away. Did waste a couple of pal spheres on him, but that's fine. We'll still try to catch him. There we go. Perfect. I just need 3 more, which I don't always run into them, so hopefully I see some more. Yeah, that's how you catch a Mimog. They're not hard. You can also, if you don't want to crit him in the face with a powerful gun, like I just have the basic musket and I shoot him in the face in an area where things are between level like 15 and 30. Then you could also get like an ice pal that can lock them in place with ice, or you could try to stun them with electricity or something similar. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you catch a Mimog. I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.